Now, despite an incredible start to his managerial tenure, Craig Bellamy expressed frustration after Wales suffered a 1-0 defeat to Canada in a friendly at the Swansea.com stadium on September 9th. Derek Cornelius' stunning 25-yard free kick in the 41st minute proved decisive, handing Canada the win and marking only the second defeat of Bellamy's 12-game tenure and the first on home soil. Former Leeds United manager Jesse Marsch drew criticism from Bellamy for celebrating the goal before the final whistle, a moment the Welsh boss felt showed a lack of respect as his team battled to salvage a draw. Charlie Crew also made his first start, illustrating Bellamy's intent to blend youth with experience, even during challenging fixtures. These introductions give Wales a glimpse of the next generation ready to contribute in competitive matches. Bellamy emphasised the importance of facing strong opposition, stating that matches like these expose players to high-tempo football, faster transitions and greater physicality. The experience also tests decision-making under pressure, helping to prepare the squad for the demands of the World Cup and European qualifiers. It's part of a broader strategy aimed at emerging players and developing the qualities needed to compete at the highest level. Looking ahead, Wales will face England at Wembley on October 9th, followed by a crucial World Cup qualifier against Belgium in Cardiff on October 13th. Bellamy views these fixtures as essential for assessing his team's progress and integrating new players, while also targeting results that can keep Wales on course to top their group and avoid the playoffs in March. While the defeat to Canada may sting, it provides valuable lessons for the squad, with youth emerging alongside established internationals. Bellamy is focused on creating a balanced team capable of competing with Europe's best and laying the foundation for a successful 2026 World Cup campaign.